We're here back at JCC Customs.
So that was a cold start. Now it's open. Holy crap.
Yo! So it's obviously a lot quieter now. It doesn't sound nearly as good.
was smooth sailing up until this point. We got the Cobb access port, threw a tune on it, and yeah, the fuel pump blew up, shattered in pieces. Had to get it towed, couldn't figure it out. Those tabs were supposed to be connected. 2 fuel pumps later, and we were back on the road. The Carbon-tastic carbon fiber steering wheel is going in. Those guys hooked me up, and we're going to be throwing this thing in, showing you guys what it looks like, how easy it is to install, and I cannot wait to show you guys how good this thing looks. Oh my gosh, this thing is beautiful.
Well, that's the end of the road for the RS. This car was a pleasure to own, had a ton of fun modifying it and driving it, using it as a daily. The hatchback is an amazing car to use as pretty much a workhorse, but on to the next thing. I need something that's a little bit more practical. Hopefully it's more reliable. We will find out. But thanks for tuning in to the RS build. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit that like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let me know what car you think I should do on the channel next. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.
Yeah.